can't repeat our good luck with bad grace. It invites darkness.
Super J on the beat, bitch. YouTube, what's up, man? It's your boy Superior S2, and we back at it again with another video. And today I'm gonna do a low taper on my client with a little bit of enhancements and that first crisp line. I'm gonna let y'all know right now, I did not get all the videos, so you're gonna see me do a side taper, and that's it. A side taper and lineup, but that's it. But on that side taper, I do knock the hair down with my one guard all over. Well, really I do it all over the head, but on that side taper, I'm knocking the hair down with that one guard. I'm gonna brush it back down, I'm gonna come back in with that no guard open. As I do that no guard open, I'm gonna close it up, get that line out. And I'm gonna come with my one guard closed and try to blend that in. Then I'm gonna open it and try to blend all of it out. And after that, I'm gonna do my half 0.5 guard. Some people call it half guard, some people call it 0.5. But my 0.5 guard closed. And get that one guard closed out. One guard line closed out. But yeah, I am a little nervous, so bear with me. I ain't did this in a minute. Now I'm just lining that back, the back of the neck up and around the ears. But yeah, like I said, I'm sorry I ain't get the whole videos while my camera was tripping. So that's all y'all gonna get. But like I say, when we do it one side, we do it to the other. So the back taper and the other side, I did the same thing. Before I start in the line, I am gonna brush the hair down, but then he got dreads too, so I'm going to get a one guard closed and knock the hair down before I do his line up. And when I do his line up, I'm gonna start in the middle, work my way to the right, and come back all the way back to the left. You'll see me doing big sides of each side, but I always stay on the right first. Then I always go back on the left. Oh yeah, when I'm doing my C cups, I always start my guideline on the sides. Then I go to the bottom and I'm bringing that all that back up and connect it together. That's how I do my C cups. And whatever left I got, I just clean it up, like clean it right back up. Like I said, my client did want some fibers. I mean, enhancements and fibers. So we doing some enhancements with Kiss Express on the hairline. And after that, I'm gonna do the fibers, line them up. Then I'm gonna spray with some holder, spray, blow dry down. After that, I'm gonna use a do the pencil on the outline. Then after that, we done. I just want to say I appreciate every single one of y'all for watching my videos and subscribing. Hey, like I said, I'm nervous right now, so you can hear it in my voice. But we finna keep making some more videos, more content, all of that. Say, I'm turning my client right now. And after my turning, my cut's gonna turn out like this. YouTube. Like I say, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Hit the thumb bell so you get all the new content that I'm dropping. But yeah, I hope y'all like the video. This your boy Superior, it's Julian, and I'm out of here. Holla at you. What's up, YouTube? Just making this video right quick. That some of the videos in this video that get posted because I guess I lost it or something. But like me doing a back taper and stuff like that. But yep, we just making a video that we'll be dropping another video soon whenever y'all see this. And why I ain't be dropping another YouTube video in a minute. My baby right there. I don't know, she probably acting up right now. No. But yeah, no video on the way. Yeah, I'll be on the lookout.